Hello and welcome to Froggity Frog Crochet and this stitch guide on how to crochet the bird footprint stitch. So this is a really nice little stitch that just looks like the 3 toes of a bird's foot. So to start this stitch, you're going to need a foundation chain in multiples of 4 plus 1 plus 1 for your turning chain. So for the bird footprint stitch, we're going to be starting by making a single crochet in the second chain from our hook. And this single crochet counts as the first stitch. So I'm just going to put a stitch marker in there. Next we're going to chain 3. Then we're going to skip 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. And in the next stitch, make a single crochet. Okay, so we're going to have these big gaps that we're going to be working into later. And this is your repeat across the row. Chain 3, skip 3, and then make a single crochet. Chain 3, skip 3, and single crochet. And you can repeat this all the way across the row, so that the last stitch of the row is a single crochet. So row 2, we're going to turn and chain 1. And then in the first stitch, we're going to make a double crochet turning chain. Okay. And also, still working into that first stitch, make another double crochet. So you've got your double crochet turning chain and a double crochet both in that first stitch. Now we're going to skip the chains and go straight to the single crochet. And into that single crochet, we're going to make 3 double crochet. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to skip the chains, go straight to the single crochet, and make 3 double crochet in that one stitch. And you can see that across the row. So you just skip to the next single crochet and make 3 double crochet all in that same stitch. And then when you get to your last stitch of the row, you're going to make 2 double crochet in that stitch. Okay, so in the first and last stitches of the row, you've got 2 stitches, and into each single crochet in between, you have 3. And that's row 2. Okay, so row 3, we turn and chain 1. And then we're going to make a single crochet in the first stitch of the row. I'm going to put my stitch marker in there. And then you're going to chain 3. We're going to skip the next double crochet, skip the double crochet after that, and then we're going to work in this one here. So this is the middle double crochet of the 3 in row 2. I'm going to make a back post single crochet. So going round the back, go through one side, push a hook around the other side. So now we're working on the back and make a single crochet. Okay, so it's going to have this ridge on the front and your single crochet sits on the back. Okay, and then chain 3 and skip to the next middle double crochet. Okay, so in this row we only work around that middle double crochet of that set of 3, and you just make a back post single crochet around all of them. And you do that all the way across your row. So back post single crochet, chain 3, back post single crochet, chain 3. Once you finish your last back post single crochet, you're going to chain 3 and make a single crochet in the last stitch of the row. Okay, so if we turn over, that back post single crochet is creating that really long middle toe of the bird footprint. So that's what it like when you flip it over. So this is going to be your front side, and this is the back side of the fabric where you get that ridge created by those back post single crochets. So to carry on with the bird footprint stitch, you're going to be repeating rows 2 and 3. And there is your stitch guide on how to crochet the bird footprint stitch. So thank you for watching, and if you would like more crochet stitches, crochet patterns and hints and tips to explore the world of crochet, then please subscribe to the channel and come and join our Facebook group, Froggity Frogs Ribbons and Stitch, where you can join our community and ask any questions that you might have about crochet. So thank you for watching, and I shall see you next time in the next video. Bye for now.